Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid with vitamin C. First, ensure your skin is clean and slightly damp. This helps hyaluronic acid draw moisture into your skin effectively. Then, apply a few drops of your hyaluronic acid serum. Immediately after, layer your vitamin C serum on top. This order helps both ingredients work optimally for a brighter, more hydrated complexion. This powerful duo offers incredible benefits for your skin. Hyaluronic acid acts like a magnet for moisture, keeping your skin supple and smooth. Vitamin C is a fantastic antioxidant, brightening your complexion and defending against daily stressors. When combined, they work synergistically to improve skin texture, boost collagen production, and give you a healthy, youthful glow. For best results, incorporate these serums into your morning routine. After cleansing, apply hyaluronic acid to damp skin, then follow with vitamin C. Give each serum a moment to absorb fully before moving on. Remember, consistency is key. And always finish your routine with a good quality sunscreen to protect your skin from UV damage, especially when using vitamin C. While this combination is generally well tolerated, it's wise to introduce new products gradually. If you have sensitive skin, consider patch testing first. Also, remember that vitamin C can be unstable. Store it properly to preserve its effectiveness. If you notice any irritation or have concerns, don't hesitate to speak with a skincare professional for personalized advice. Enjoy your radiant skin.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.